Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tired of back-end forth emails trying to schedule meetings? Calendly is a free online tool that lets people book time with you based on your real availability. In today's video, I will show you step by step on how to set it up, customize it, and start sharing your link. First of all, go to calendly.com. The software company. Now click on it from dashboard. Click get started button from the right side corner. Then enter your email address. Then click sign up. You can continue with your Microsoft and Google account. Then click get started again. If you have already an account, just click login from here. Then click login with Google. Then select your account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. This is where you manage all your scheduling links. Calendly syncs with Google Outlook, iCloud, and Office 365 calendars. This ensures you never get double booked. Click Account Settings or All Settings. Then click Calendar Connections. Or integrations. Then add click calendar. Then choose your calendar provider like Google Calendar. Now click connect calendar account. Then select your account from here. Then continue. Once added, go to dashboard from Calendly. Then click create. Now choose 1 to 1. Then click new event type. Choose between 1 to 1 or group event. Set a name. Click here. Select your duration like 30 minutes. Availability. Then click create. Then select your date. Then save changes. Now in the when can people book this event section, more option. From description, you can add some details for your calendar. Set your availability by day and time. You can also add buffer time before and after limit daily meetings and choose how far in advance people can book. Go back to Then click on your meeting. Now click the settings icon. Then click edit. You can change the language from here. Then select your location, like Google Meet, phone call, etc. From invite form, ask for name, email, or any other information. In notifications, you can enable in email reminders or confirmations. Pro user can Pro users can send text reminders too. Now select confirmation page, then select display confirmation page for free, and enter your link name, then click save changes. Or you can add new link. Just click add new link and follow the process. From here, click invite user. Now upgrade your plan and follow the process for invite users. Then go to your event and click share. Copy your booking link and paste it on your website, email signature, or social bio. When someone clicks your Calendly link, they will see your available times. Once they book, you both get an email confirmation and it appears on your calendar automatically. Calendly's free plan covers most basics, but Pro includes team, scheduling, workflows, payment collection, and text reminders. Whether you are a coach, freelancer, or business owner, Calendly simplifies your scheduling. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And I will see you in the next one.